Assalamu alaikum friends, today we will learn about with examples of TIA Portal V16. Starts with ladder logic for relay concept. How we use one common relay with another relays means if you want one common relay with any examples with any Q0.1 we like to on, and after you need some other relays run with this common relay. So how we can use, we will create the logic and learn. Simply we will go in our TIA portal V16 and here we some create logic. Because of if program all you know about, if you ladder logic don't know or how to make any program or something, you can't use. For example, I think I need when my I will take my one input m0.0. This is for example any you can make it here i0.0 or i0.1 or 2, any signal you can take for execution, and here I will take one more contact for m0.1. This you can think about this m0.0 is your emergency and this m0.1 is your first start push button. I will change that tag name also you understand after how we can change the tags. In previous videos already I told how to rename the tags, but now you also can see this name. I will put start button start, and here also you can change your bit type, and there inside also you can change. Here you can change the value, change it name. This one is start, and here I will put also this way, change the name. So once go this back and right click and that rename the tag and put it here emergency, and here I will give the tag name Q0.0, for example Q0.0. and what's the logic we like to start here. I say when my Q0.0 is on, I need one more common relay with on here with Q0.0. Here I will put one more contact for open contact, because when you is using that open contact Q0.0 and output you need for any you can take it from here. Example, I will put Q0.6 I needs for start, and when my Q0.0 is on, must be run this one Q0.6, and in next row I will make it here. Oh sorry, this go back, here it make click, and here you can go branch, must be take to third branch, and here you can take one contact, open contact. Here also you can take first open contact. Here also we take one more open contact, and here I will put output coil. Here also I will put one output coil. Here also I will put one more coil. For example, that one my m0.0 is emergency and m0.1 is my start push button, and I start from with m0.0 with the Q0.0. and this one I put first contact is M0.0, my emergency push button, M0.0, this is also my emergency push button, M0.0 is also my push button, and I will put my other contacts also here, and also here one more contact. This relay I will put M0.1, M0.1, this I will put M0.2, and this I will put M0.3, and this I will put Q0.1, Q0.2, Q0.3. This 4 relays we will create logic yani. And now what logic we like to learn, that I say that when any of the coil is runs, Q0.0 if run, or Q0.2 run, or Q0.3 run, when any relay runs, I need my this Q0.0 start with Q0.1. First we will download this same, later on we will, that's one mistake we make, that we have to go first simulation start, but my simulation is not start, so I will cancel first and I will go to the simulation and must be run my PLC, and after we will load. Yes, now we will load after our program will be download to the PLC, and I will make it simulation on, and PLC is already run condition. And for example, see, when I start my emergency first, now see M0.2 is on, this I will first stop this one execution, 0, okay. I say when my M0.0 is on, that Q0.0 is need to be on. These two bits we put both, so this will be run 2 or both condition. You have to be change that tag name it here. 1 minute, we will stop, and M0.2, M0.3, M0.4. Now we will download in the PLC. And then make it simulation on. See, now my emergency is on, yani. For example, I make this emergency off. Now my emergency is off. If I start this one, but my Q0.0 will be never on, because of my emergency is not energized. As I energize my emergency, after my Q0.0 will be on. So this is the emergency and push button concept. And now what's the logic? Yani we need, when Q0.0 is on, we need to be Q0.6 must be on with this our Q0.0. But when we stop this one and when we start this one, after our Q0.1 is on, but I need what? I need my Q0.6 also with on. This may be any other relay, can be in various machines. Yani some, for example, in hydraulic machines have how to run the cylinders or some things. There is a logic running. One up relay when runs, after one common coil have to be run. If down coils run, and one more common relay have to be run with this one. So what we do, how we can do this program? We will stop first here. Stop, and we will stop the simulation, and simply we will create here contacts. So here we have to make one branch, one more branch, 1, 2, 4 we will make. Here we will put open close of the Q0.0 is already we put it here, and Q0.1, this is the relay, yani, and we use the open contact of the relay Q0.1. We will use it here, one open contact for Q0.1. Q0.1 open contact we will take it from here, and second we will take also one more contact, thirdly we take it one more contact, and here we will take the open contact of Q0.2, and here we will take for contact Q0.3. means any relay when Q0.1 is on, R2 is on, R3 is on, any relay when on from this coils, I need this Q0.6 like to be on. And how we do here? We have simply ticked the cursor here, and we will connect it here, and this also we will take, and here we will connect, and this also we will take, and one connect here. Simply when we connect this one, and now logic how it's running, when your Q0.0 will be on, after your Q0.6 will be on. When your Q0.1 will be on, your Q0.6 will be on. When your Q0.2 will be on, this Q0.6 will be on. And same as when Q0.3 is on, after your Q0.6 will be 100% on with this. And this simple program we will download to the PLC and load. Because of after how many coils you like to energize with how many coils like to be run, and you need common relay runs with these relays, simply open contacts make it here down, and this will be coil will be runs with this coils. See, now when I start my M0.1, my Q0.6 will be energized, and when my M0.2 will be energized, my Q0.6 will be energized with this Q0.1. 0, M0.3. When my M0.3 will be on, my Q0.2 when on, my Q0.6 will be on with this Q0.2. And when my Q0.3 will be on, my Q0.6 will be on, and this Q0, that open contacts will be energized it here, and Q0.6 will be continuously on. How many relays you like to start it here? This is with example, yani these are your push buttons. This is maybe one start push button, that M0.1. This name may be from outside when or from the panel when you use that push button start, and this one start, and this one start, yani this one start. And these relays are, for example, this is hydraulics, I think so. And one common relay you have to be start with this all relays. This you can make when this up condition for Q0.0 is up. This is for down. This is for up. This is for down. This is for two cylinders, yani on off control. And when these two coils are have to be start, this common must be start with this two coils. When these two coils have to be start, yani this main common relay have to be start with this two coils. Any of the relay when started, this common relay will be energized as per same logic. You can apply anywhere in the hydraulic systems or any conveyors, or for example you running in one motor like to be start stop control with brake condition. Some motors are running with DC brakes and voltage coming from other source, yani because of all brakes are not running with 220 volts or 380 volts. Some brakes are running with 24 volt DC, whatever, yani different various is as per your logic. You can use this program. This function also same applies in the drive also. Inside the drive, when making the programs, companies, they also designed look like any inside the program in the software of the drives. When any relay energized inside that drive for reverse condition or forward condition or step condition, anyone started in the drive, one common relay, all drives you will be find in the drive with common. And this logic used same like any as how many bits you like to use, Q0.0 or 1 or 2 or 3, which one will be energized, that open contact execute the Q0.6.